Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the Crypto Siege. What another day in the life, in the crazy life that is the digital asset space. Good morning. Happy Wednesday to you. Wow, a lot of interesting things going on in the world of Asia and Japan and Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao. Guys, you know we say on this channel all the time that Mr. Kitao is the biggest fan of Ripple and XRP without question. And again, guys, I say this all the time. I believe personally, this is Crypto C speaking, that Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao was the man behind the move to invest in MoneyGram. I truly 100% believe that. I believe that is his wheelhouse. I believe that's the sweet spot for him and what he does in acquisitions in terms of investing strategically in companies to put his mark, if you will, and leverage his positions. So this is another move, I believe, by Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao as well. Shout out to Crypto Eddie for sharing this with the community. And again, day in and day out, she continues to add value to the community. She's on an ODL real use case movement right now. That's her thing. So our last videos, that's exactly what she's been pointing out. So shout out to Crypto Eddie, guys. Listen, so this is your XRP Ripple daily news to around 0 to 10 minutes. All right, guys, let's do this. So Crypto Eddie tweeted, we learned today about the RippleNet transactions increase for HBN Bank, which SBI has a stake in, as well as an 8% share in Ripple Partner C Bank, or Ripple Partner C Bank Ceylon, Ceylon, okay, Sri Lanka. When XRP achieves liquidity in these quarters, ODL Asia is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. And here was another tweet from her as well. So Mr. Kitao of SBI is going to get these quarters liquid, period. Just took a $30 million stake, a $30 million stake in one of the oldest operating market makers in the digital asset space. B2C2 is the name of this particular company. He's on fire. This is exactly right, guys. We say this all the time in this channel. What other platform, what other fintech company, what other digital asset has the people behind it that Ripple and XRP has? And I get it. There's a lot of smart people out there, like Dan Larimer, like Charles Atkinson. What's this? Charles Hoskinson, excuse me. Right? So there's a lot of smart people with great smart technology. But where are the people that can take it to the marketplace? It doesn't matter, right? My good friend and mentor always says to me, he said, there's a lot of great things going on that have been created. But a lot of times, smart people, they don't have the capacity to take it to the marketplace. So what good does it do if it's a brilliant idea, if it's a brilliant technology, if you cannot take it to the marketplace? All right, guys. So here she said, and she says, she ends that tweet with, he is on fire. So I'm going to go over this article with you guys. I think it's a very, very interesting read. So where are we? Hold on a second. What happened here? Why does it do that? Well, let me do back here. I don't know what happened there. Let's try this again. Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao, or Kitao-san, whatever suits your fancy. All right, here it is here. So Blockset is always putting up there, and we all know about Blockset, right? BRD, Adam Trademan. Goodness, Ripple. Japanese investing giant SBI takes $30 million stake in crypto trader B2C2. And this is from theblockcrypto.com. And the contributing author is Frank Chaparro. Hi, Frank. So This is his summaries here, his little points, summary points, and then I'll go into the article. Quick take, he says, a Japanese investment giant has taken a $30 million stake in crypto market maker B2C2. The deal comes as the trading firm looks to the ever-growing market for crypto prime brokers. This month, B2C2 will expand its services to span automated financing and execution. The first step in its prime journey, the company says. Count this as the latest sign that the market for crypto prime brokers is overheating. I'm telling you, Mr. Kitao, he just knows where to go. He's been doing it for decades, keeping ahead of the game and strategically, he's building an ecosystem. Unbelievable. So on the heels of a new partnership with Japanese, why does it do that? Oh, okay, there we go. All right, now we're on the heels of a new partnership with Japanese investing giant SBI Holdings. Crypto market maker firm B2C2 has announced plans to expand its business to cover a range of services that it says would bring it closer to becoming a crypto prime broker. Market makers, this is something, right, hugely important in the XRP ecosystem. The move follows a flurry of prime broker-related news from firms like BitGo, Coinbase, and Genesis Global Trading. Among the oldest operating market makers in the digital asset space, B2C2 is best known for helping large investors execute multi-million-dollar trades over the counter. This month, the UK-based firm will roll out new automated financial services to complement its existing execution services. At the same time, SBI Holdings will take a $30 million stake in the firm, offering access to its balance sheet. SBI Securities is Japan's largest online stock trading company. And traditional finance prime brokers sit between institutional investors and the market, offering an array of services, including custody, execution, and consulting. Market participants have long said that the addition of prime brokerage services to the crypto market could lure institutional investors from the sidelines. Prime brokers, in theory, make the trading and investing experience more seamless and capital efficient. You think Mr. Kitao knows how important it is to have the large institutional investors in this space? I think he does. So B2C2 CEO Max Boonin said, B2C2 is uniquely positioned in what is becoming a crowded market, given his background in traditional financial services, noting his experience managing both a $60 billion net notional book of FX swaps and a $50 billion repo book. Boonin said B2C2 also will be able to deliver execution and financing at a cheaper rate than its rivals, thanks to several factors, including SBI's firepower and top-notch credit quality. Our credit quality is seen as top-notch, being market neutral and having been in the market since 2015 and surviving crashes, bear markets, exchange hacks, he said. It also has an established client base, which now includes SBI. B2C2 will serve as SBI's main crypto liquidity provider. Whoa. As the firm expands its own crypto offering to millions of its clients, B2C2 said in a press statement. So they are going to be the liquidity provider for SBI. Again, what is Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao's favorite digital asset? Yeah, that would be XRP. We expect a lot of synergies with B2C2 a firm which has a large number of clients globally, excuse me, and offers abundant liquidity, excellent price competitiveness, and a diverse suite of products for their customers. Yoshitaka Kitao, president and CEO of SBI Holdings, said, "We will work together to develop innovative new crypto products and deepen synergies across our group of companies." Wow. So guys, that is an excellent read. I hope you guys get a chance to check it out as well on your own. But this is, listen, Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao is the one. He is the man, if you will. And again, there isn't a digital asset fintech company, if you will, in this space that has the type of people backing it, running it, what I want to say, launching it, moving it into mainstream adoption, like Chris Larson, Brad Garlinghouse, Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao, Joel Katz, David Schwartz, right? It's just, it is what it is. The champ is here. This is why we came up with the phrase, the champ, XRP, the champ is here. So that is really, really, really exciting news, guys. I got to tell you, wow. Thanks again to Crypto Eddie for bringing this to our attention. This is absolutely massive news. He will, again, get these quarters lit up. And we all have been saying that it's going to be SBI that's going to be the one to start this movement and getting this ODL going and moving, getting this flywheel moving and churning. And this is a great example of that. It really, really is. I'm going to share one tweet with you guys that I think is so, it's pretty cool. Where is it? This is pretty funny. And I'm going to end with this, guys. This is Rachel Renee said, "I had a colleague tell me that they don't believe in crypto because it's not real. You can't hold it or touch it. So I sent him an email that said, 'Hey, I'll buy your lunch.' When he showed up to claim it, I said, 'Email is not real. You can't hold it or touch it.'" That is a great point, my friends. All right, guys, listen, I am going to wrap up this video like I do all of my videos and remind you guys of this. Old money doesn't want you to win. They don't want us to win. They would rather us remain a cog in their perpetual wheel of trading our time for dollars. They don't want us to play in the same playground that they play in, where we allow our money to work for us. This is our chance to win, guys. The digital asset space is our chance to win. We are in the midst of the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of man. Are you participating, or are you standing on the sidelines? Here's what I do know, that the battle for you has already been fought, and the victory is yours. Go get it. I'll talk to you soon, guys. See ya. Bye.